Hi, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, former Miss World Agbani Derego welcomes second son with husband Ishaya Danjuma. Let's check out details. Agbani Derego, Nigerian model and Miss World 2001, and her husband Ishaya Danjuma have welcomed their second son. In April 2017, Agbani married a longtime partner Ishaya Danjuma, son of a billionaire, General Theophilus Yakubu Danjuma, in a ceremony held in Marrakesh, Morocco. Together, they have a son who was born in September 2018, and they have now welcomed another baby boy this December 2020. The mother of two announced the good news on her social media with a picture and caption, "Thankful." This was followed by another picture that says "Baby Boy," and she captioned it #Joy Like a River, #Baby Danjuma. Derego is an Agbani native who was born in Lagos as the sixth of 8 children. Her family relocated to Port Harcourt, where she was raised in D-Line at age 2. She attended Brereton Montessori Nursery and Primary School, and at 10, she was sent to boarding school in a bid to shield her from her mother, who had become very ill with breast cancer. Her mother, Inayewo, owned a rice trading business and a clothing boutique, but died 2 years after her daughters moved to boarding school. Agbani Derego went to Federal Government Girls College at Buloma and attended the University of Port Harcourt, where she studied computer science and mathematics. She went on to become a model and thereafter won the 2001 Miss World, a feat that Nigeria has up to today not been able to achieve again. After the arrival of a new baby, a lot of people have come around to congratulate Agbani Derego. Some of them include TV presenter Idia Aisen, who wrote, "Congratulations." Tokemakiwa also dropped a comment on the post saying, "Congratulations." Dakore Egbusin also wrote, "Congratulations," as well as Ife Okoye, who says, "Congratulations." Elizabeth Eloho says, "Congratulations," as well as Tojo Fuye on our Instagram page. We also joined them to say a very big congratulations to Agbani Derego. And that's it on the Gist today. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.